Founded in 1999, Ningbo SUPU Electronic specializes in electrical connections for cabinets and devices and battery solutions. When we built our new factory in 2002, our goal was to have a fully automated production line, and the warehouse was an important part of the process. We wanted to find a solution that would save space and manage the warehouse intelligently. After much research, we chose 2 modular automated warehouses to store raw materials, electronic components, and maintenance parts in one place. Now the modulars occupy less than 30 square meters, but store 90% of the company's materials. With Modula now, only 1 operator is needed to complete all the work in the warehouse, resulting in significant cost savings. We have also equipped the Modulas with the laser pointer, which has greatly improved the speed of our picking. The installation of the Modulas took 1 week and did not halt our operations. We are very satisfied with the choice we made.